Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fiery Fusion. I am back with another video. Today I have a special video for you guys. I would love to cook something special for you. So this is going to be what, my second or third time making corn muffin mix, cornbread. So I'm going to make two of them. I think two should be enough. I'm also going to make some salmon, stuffed salmon. Also I'm going to make it with some yellow rice. So I do have this packaged rice that I got from Dollar Tree. I normally don't eat rice from the pack, but listen, it's always good to try new things. And one thing about me, I love to try new things. So we're gonna pop these in the microwave because it says it has the microwave options on here. Pop these in the microwave, and then I can show you guys on another time how to actually do yellow rice with, you know, different types of seasoning. I just wanted to hop in so that I can greet you guys. I hope you guys are well. My name is Shelly, but this channel is Fiery Fusion. I do have my main channel, which is Shelly Innovative Hands. So if you're not subscribed on that channel, definitely check me out. I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle, faith content, and a little bit of travel. So let's get acquainted and let us start cooking. So remember to subscribe. I love y'all. Let's get it on the road. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using 2 eggs, so 1 box per egg, and then I will be using some honey just so it can be a little bit sweet, the corn muffin mix, and milk. So it's asking for you to use 3 cups. I'm using the ingredients, I'm going by the ingredients here on the package. So it says you just need the mix, which is here in the box. You only need 1 egg, so I have 2 boxes, 1 egg per box, and then 1/3 of a cup milk. Then it says to grease muffin pan or use paper baking cups. Stir all the ingredients together. Batter will be slightly lumpy for maximum crown of muffins. Let batter rest for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir lightly before filling cups. Fill muffin cups 2 to 3/3. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. It says to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare as directed for corn muffins, except pour batter into grease 8 square pan, and then it says bake 16 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna go by these instructions, and then we're gonna see what we came up. Let's go ahead and start cooking these muffins, at least baking them. So the instructions did add for us to grease the pan. I'm gonna use this butter to grease the pan. And all I'm doing is just making sure that I coat the entire pan. What this does is it helps the corn mix not to stick to the pan. So it's going to be easy for us to get it up and out of here. So this is how it's looking. Just making sure that every area is coated. We're going to put this to the side. Now we're going to get a bowl so that we can mix all of the ingredients. It does say that it's going to be a little bit lumpy, which is fine. So I'm just going to take these things out of this bowl so that I can use it. So let me know, do you like cornbread? Have you ever made cornbread before? I know that this is a American dish. I know it's an American dish. I am Haitian, but I love to try different cultures. I like to try different things. So it says push here. So we're going to use the entire thing. I'm going to crack. All right. Since we're doing both of them, I'll open up both. I'm going to put honey just so that it can add some sweetness to it. So that's both. I love to clean up as I go. It gives me less things to clean up. All right, perfect. All right, here goes the other egg. The best way to crack your eggs, well, the way that I find that is best to crack your egg and you get no shells in your food is just to hit it one big time once, and then afterwards, after you've hit it, I'm gonna just stir this up with the egg just so that I can coat this well, and then I'm gonna add my milk. Just making sure that all of this is coated. All right, looks about right to me. So we're gonna give it a good shake. Now we're going to pour. That should be enough. So now we're going to go ahead and just mix all of this batter together. It says that it's going to be lumpy, but I'm going to see how best it don't be too lumpy. So the way you can do that is just keep on stirring it until you can get the majority of the lumps out of it. I like to lift it up off of the counter just so I could be in control of how the bowl is swaying. As you can see, the lumps is already you can barely see the lumps. You just have to work your arms. You can use an electrical mixer as well. This handheld mixer, I got this from Dollar Tree. So if you don't want to put in that arm grease, go ahead and get you we don't need it to be too sweet. We just want a little bit of sweetness. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this for like 15-20 minutes, then I'll come back on when we're going to put it in the oven. All right, so let's pour our batter in. Ooh, pour two is perfect. We're gonna preheat our oven to 400, and then we're gonna put it in. When it's done, I'm going. Okay, so our oven is preheating. We're gonna just go ahead and get the remainder of this goodness and add all of this juiciness inside of this pan here. Okay, so now we're waiting to put it inside of the oven. See, I'm pouring the rice in here. and it says Spanish style rice. So the rice is in the oven. Now I'm going to put the cornbread in there. When both of them are done, then I'll take it out and show you guys how it looks. I do have the salmon. I have some water running on the salmon, and then I'll put the salmon in the baker as well. I'll show you guys that. Let me turn this on so I don't forget. Okay, so this is the Spanish rice. Remember, I got the rice from Dollar Tree. Now this is the this is the salmon. I'm going to put some veggies on the side. Let me cut the banana bread. Not banana bread, sorry. The cornbread. This is how the cornbread looks. Let me turn this down just a little so y'all can see. So good. Perfection. So, this is the bread. Let me just cut this in half. And that is it. Let's just bring it out. So beautiful. Like, I did that. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's break bread and drink and be merry. This is your girl, Fiery Fusion. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is Spanish rice. I did not cook it. I just poured it out of the pack and I put it in the oven. I did this salmon, the cornbread, and the mixed veg. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this plate of food. I love you. Thank you. Bye.